Welcome to Math with Professor V. Here's your latest integral of the day, and it was submitted by a subscriber, so I'm happy to oblige and solve it for you all. It's a little different than the typical run-of-the-mill integral, so if you want to pause the video, give it a try on your own. I'll give you the same little hint. You need to factor out 1x from this quantity right here, and then give it to the other factor. How peculiar, right? So I'm going to do just that. Pause it if you don't want to see. I'm just diving right in. We have here integral. I'm taking out an x, and then now this is going to be x to the fifth plus x squared. And then remember, I have x cubed plus 2 to the 1/3 power. That's the same thing as cube root of x cubed plus 2 dx. Why am I writing it as cube root? I think it's just going to be easier for you guys to understand this next step, because I'm going to take this x and put it underneath the radical. However, be careful. I am going to take a quantity that's not currently under a radical and put it underneath a radical. So I have to cube it. I have to cube it because I'm putting it underneath a cube root. So remember, cube root of x cubed is just x. So that's why when I put this plain old little x underneath the radical, it needs to become x cubed. So here we're going to have x to the fifth plus x squared cube root x cubed times x cubed plus 2 dx. So let me highlight for you so you can keep track of everybody. This x has now become x cubed underneath here. Are we all right? Okay, good. Now from here, the rest falls into place really nicely. So leave this x to the fifth plus x squared alone out here. They're happy minding their own business. And then I have cube root. Let's distribute underneath the radical. This is x to the sixth plus 2x cubed dx. All right. Now things will work out all too beautifully for us to do a u-substitution. If you notice, somebody obviously sat here and made sure things would work out very lovely. If I let everything underneath that radical, so x to the sixth plus 2x cubed be u, okay, then in the next step, I'm going to find du, which would be 6x to the fifth plus 6x squared dx. Oh me, oh my. I have something so super similar right out there. I can factor out this 6, right? So du equals 6 times x to the fifth plus x squared dx. Lovely. And then 1/6 du is x to the fifth plus x squared dx, which is exactly what we have here and there. So here's x to the fifth plus x squared dx, which is my 1/6 du. So now we can rewrite the whole integral in terms of u. Let's put the 1/6 all the way on the outside. That's always my recommendation. And then we have cube root of u du. Take a second. Marinate on everything. Are you okay? Oh, good. Now, to integrate, you can just proceed from here, but let's rewrite it as u to the 1/3 du, just to be safe. Just to be safe. And then add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent. So if I add 1 to 1/3, it becomes 4/3. And then divide by the new exponent, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, 3/4, and then plus c immediately. The minute you drop that integral sign and the du, you need a plus c. And then let's see, this will reduce, won't it? 3 cancels with 6, so now this is a 2. And then I'm left with 1/8 u to the 4/3 plus c. And then we're going to go back, replace u with x to the sixth plus 2x cubed to the 4/3 plus c. And we are done. Voila. And then I did sit there and check. So I took the derivative, applied the chain rule, and made sure I got back the integrand, which you'll have to manipulate it again a little bit to make it match. But you can confirm this is indeed the correct antiderivative. So that was just a u-sub and little algebraic manipulation. If you need help learning integration techniques or just reviewing calculus in general, then check out my YouTube channel. I have everything organized into playlists for all of the topics covered in Calc 1, 2, and 3 in sequential order. And then there's also pre-calc, trig, basic algebra on there as well. Okay, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. This week is my spring break, so I'm gonna work on recording some exam videos, solving exam for Calc 2, exam for Calc 3, and then a new linear algebra video is almost ready to go. So stay tuned, turn on your notifications if you haven't already. That way you'll know the minute I upload. And then you can also catch me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Math with Professor V. Love you all. I'll be back soon. Bye.